Good afternoon. My name is Andrew Padilla, Chief of Police, Santa Fe Police Department. Our officers and detectives are currently investigating a death investigation at the intersection of Don Gaspar Avenue and west of Argus Street. The parking lot to the Public Education Department is closed off at this time as it happened near that intersection. There are two deceased adults at that location. One is a male, one is a female. We'll confirm that one of the victims is a state employee. Our officers will be on scene for several hours as they process the scene. Please be patient with us. At this time, we're not releasing the names until the next of kins have been notified. Family first, and at that point, we'll release the names to you all, provide you all with updates. This time, I'll turn it over to Tripp here.
Sure, thanks, Chief. I don't have much to add. The Chief naturally confirms that one was a state employee. Out of respect for the victim's family members, as the police work to notify the next of kin, we will be refraining from confirming an identity. I can tell you that the Jerry Apodaca building, being the closest to the scene, has been cleared. The employees of that building sent home. And grief counseling will be made available first thing in the morning for the employees of that building. And that is about all we can say at this point in time.
All right, thank you. You guys have a great evening.
Chief, what can you say about the incident itself and what happened?
I just provided you all with the basic statement there. To provide any more information would compromise the investigation. And then obviously, family first, as I mentioned a bit ago, we want to ensure that family members or next kins have been notified. Then at that point, we'll be able to answer more information. As the investigators investigate the incident itself, our detectives provide us with more information, and then as we move forward. So please be patient with us out of respect for the family.
Can you see whether the male or female was a state employee?
It was the female that was the state employee.
Deputy Chief Valdez earlier told me that there are no outstanding suspects. Are there any suspects?
That is correct. That was based upon the original press release that at this point we do not feel that there's any suspect or shooter at large.
Was this a murder-suicide?
We're trying to confirm everything at this point. To confirm that or say anything else would be compromising the scene for the detectives or investigators.
Chief, did the shooting happen inside or outside of the building?
Outside of the building, in the parking lot, near the intersection of Don Gaspar and west of Argus Street.
Inside one of the vehicles?
Yes.
Tripp, can you say which department the state employee worked for?
Given that we're still trying to notify their family, I think that would, again, be a little premature.
Who found them?
Who found that we got the call at the location, either gunshots in the area, unknown if it was multiple gunshots or just a gunshot. So someone called 911, they did the right thing, and then our officers responded on scene.
What time did that call come in?
It was a little afternoon.
My understanding is the state employee noticed.
A state employee noticed. That's who called.
Yes.
Any other buildings evacuated?
Not at this time, no.
Are the two people in the car, or are they known to each other?
At this time, we're still trying to determine that if they knew each other or if they're strangers altogether.
Do you believe the shooting happened? The shooting did happen inside the vehicle, though.
Inside or near the vehicle?
Do you know how long they were in there before they were discovered?
I do not know.
Ages of the victims?
As we've been told, just adult male, adult female, from when our officers are seeing possible mid-30s.
Both.
Both.